Hey everyone, it's Katie, and today we are talking about taking a lunch break. Now, if we were working in offices, then we would get a lunch break and we could do whatever we wanted on that hour. We could run errands, or we could eat lunch, or just kind of curl up under our desk if we wanted to. Point is that whole hour would be ours. So what I like to do is incorporate that idea into my day as a stay-at-home mom. So when the kids were little, I used to put them down for quiet time for an hour in the afternoon. And quite honestly, I really didn't care what they were doing in that hour as long as they were in their bedrooms. I knew that they were safe. I knew that there was no electronics that they could get in trouble with. So basically they could read, or they could play with toys, or they could play with each other, or they could, I actually didn't mind if they took every single toy that they had off of their shelves, out of their cabinets, and played with all of them and destroyed their room. It was fine because then I would just teach them how to clean it up when they were done. But the point is that I had the whole hour to myself. And now that my kids are older, I still use this idea. And that's because when my husband gets home from work, we like to spend time together. When he walks in, if I was feeling like I needed to be relieved from my day so that I could go and spend some time for myself, then that would really cut down on the amount of time that we could spend together. Plus, I'm already out of the house 2 nights a week doing my silks and my hoop, so I really like to protect that time for us together when he gets home. So that's why I don't choose to do like my self-pampering or anything like that in the evening. Instead, I do it at lunchtime. So these are the things that I like to do at lunch. I come into my room, as you can see, and when it is cold outside, I have lunch by my fire, so I'll eat my lunch. When it's warm outside, I usually take it outside. It's hard to get me inside on nice days. So I'll eat my lunch. I like to read at this time. I'll read my Bible, do my gratitude journal, and pray. And then I'll read fiction books, or I'll go for a walk, or I'll hop on my hoop that's in my room. I'll watch videos on YouTube. I'll watch TV, scroll on Instagram or Pinterest or Facebook, or just basically spend the time doing whatever it is that I want to do. I could craft at this time or do my planner, anything that makes me happy. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to start thinking about how can you implement a lunch hour in which you use it just for you. If we're honest, we're spending our whole days serving other people, being productive. We're cleaning, we're cooking, we're shopping, we're kissing boo-boos. We've got a lot on our plates. So it is not only not selfish to take this hour for yourself in the middle of the day, it is so good for maintaining your spirit so that you can continue to give and pour yourself out for your family and for those in your community and whoever else that you serve. So today, take your lunch hour. Do not feel one bit of guilt or sadness over doing so. Your kids will be fine, the house will be fine, and we will get back to work after the hour is over. So I will see you tomorrow for day 12. I think it's day 12. I don't know exactly what we're talking about tomorrow. And I don't have my paper here. I think it's no, it's meal planning. Tomorrow is meal planning. I'll see you tomorrow for meal planning. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet liked and subscribed, I would be really thankful if you did so. Have a great day. Thanks everyone. Bye.